If you love Tex-Mex flavor, mess-free cleanups, and easy camping food ideas, you're going to want this chicken foil packet recipe. Hi, weekend family, or if you're new here, I'm Randi, and every Thursday I share tips to help us make every moment count, because weekends are just too short. I am not a great cook, and I'm always looking for ways to conserve water. So when I find a delicious camping food idea and no dishes are dirtied, I'm excited. And this chicken foiled packet recipe can be cooked over a fire or on a grill. So I'm getting my fire started. Another reason that makes this chicken foiled packet recipe such an easy camping food, there are just 7 simple ingredients. And a couple extra ingredients if you want to get fancy. More on that coming up. The first ingredient is chicken. 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts chopped into 1/2-inch cubes. I chopped mine ahead of time, and then you just put them in a large Ziploc bag. The next ingredient is taco seasoning. Add 1 packet to the chicken. Zip the bag closed and mix the seasoning into the chicken. It's such a gorgeous day to be outside, and I'm enjoying this Mississippi River waterfront campsite while I'm cooking. The third ingredient is 1 chopped onion. The next 3 ingredients are 1 can of Rotel diced tomatoes, 1 can white chili beans, and 1 can of corn niblets. You need to drain them all and then add them to the bag. The can sizes and complete recipe is in the video description below. Foil packets are also known as hobo packets, and there are thousands of recipes online. By preparing the meat at home, they are so easy to assemble, and with such a variety of recipes, you could have Tex-Mex chicken one night, grilled shrimp, or sausage, potato, and green beans the next night. They truly are the easiest camping food. Now that everything is well mixed, it's time to prepare the foils, and for this, we need aluminum foil and cooking spray. Cut the foils into approximately 9 to 12-inch squares. You can use heavy-duty aluminum foil, and then you only need 1 foil for each packet. Or if using regular aluminum foil like I am, then use 2 pieces of aluminum foil for each packet. All of a sudden it got really windy out, so I'm using props to keep my foils from blowing away. Okay, next, lightly spray the top foil. And add about 1 cup of chicken mixture to each foil. This recipe is enough for 4 to 5 chicken foil packets. And this is perfect because for 2 of us, that means I will have leftovers, and they even taste better the second day. Next, fold up the foils so all edges are secure and nothing can leak out. Oh no, my fire's not doing very well. Well, let's go fire up the Blackstone griddle. It didn't take the Blackstone long to heat up. There's steam coming out of the packets, and they already smell so good. But to keep the heat in and make sure everything gets cooked through, I'm going to cover the foil packets with this cover. I have the grill set to medium-high, and I'll flip them in about 10 minutes. So while they're cooking, I'm going to chop some green onions. They're one of the extra ingredients I mentioned earlier and are totally optional. And wait to see what else I'm going to add. It's time to flip the packets. I ran inside for a quick minute and noticed a gorgeous sunset through my window. So I took a snapshot and uploaded it to Instagram. It's been another 10 minutes, so let's check and see if this chicken packet is cooked. Oh yeah, they're done. So I'm going to sprinkle on some of those green onions and cheese and close the packet up for a couple more minutes so the cheese can melt. I'd love to know if you've ever made foil or hobo packets before, and if you have a favorite to share with me. Oh, I wish you could smell this. Yum. But we're not done yet. Let's add a little sour cream and some taco sauce to spice things up a little bit. This chicken foil packet is packed with Tex-Mex flavor. You just have to try this recipe. And the next day leftovers are scrumptious too. What's just as fun as the most delicious, easy camping food ideas? The best RV accessories. And I've got my favorites and I want to share them with you. I did a video and I'm going to leave a link to that video right up here and in the video description below. So be sure to watch that next.